I started working with Unmath School since 2011 or 12, when we had also just started Sanskrit International School. And since then, there has been no looking back working with Unmath because it has not only enhanced the mathematics in the school, it has also enhanced the opportunities for teachers to grow and become better teaching, as well as the learners have been able to understand maths in a very different tone. They understand math as a language, and the fear has gone down significantly. We're still working on improving the maths because math itself is a very logistic subject, and not everybody is interested. But because Unmath has very different ways of teaching and learning through games, through different activities, children have kind of learned to use those skills in doing the maths. So, of course, we need to practice maths, but unless and until they understand the concept of mathematics, they will not be able to move forward in their mathematics journey. And the progress that I've seen over the years is that children and the teachers have kind of um, lost the fear, I would say, about learning maths. And in the long run, I'm really excited that Unmath is doing so well in this country and abroad, where he has explained, or let's say he has try to explain maths in a very different way. So that is something that I really look forward to every year as he comes up with new terms and new topics, such as green school, or let's say entrepreneur maths. And that is something that the children really look forward to. And even the teachers, they get the challenge and the more challenges to work on. And so I think that has really worked well with our school. And I'm really happy with what we've been doing with Unmath so far.